Hello, we're in Shenzhen in the office of One-Netbook company, and this company just launched the new product, One Mix 3 Pro in Japan. And let's have a check on this device here. This device is a yoga style notebook, and the special of this device is that it's the first mini notebook in the Intel Core 10th generation. It comes with an 8.4-inch IPS 2K Retina screen, so it's very portable for you to carry anywhere. Let's have a look on the keyboard here. The special of this keyboard is that it has a backlight, so you can see, you can switch the backlight with buttons. And we have a fingerprint sensor in this corner for your security. The screen they're using, as I've just mentioned, is IPS panel, and the resolution is 2K. The aspect ratio is 16 by 10. It supports 10 points touch, and it can come with a pen for you. Let's check on this size. It comes with around 20 centimeters and 12 centimeters by width, and the thickness is 1.5 centimeters, so it's very portable. And we have a full USB port, one Type-C, one micro SD card reader on this side. At the back we have a vent for cooling, and on this side we have a micro HDMI out and one audio jack. At the bottom, we have some holes for ventilation, so that it can cool down the temperature of this device. Let's check on the specs here. So as I mentioned, it comes with the Intel Core 10th generation. This device comes with the i5 version, but they're going to do it with another higher platform with i7, and that will be their platinum version in this category. The memory and storage comes with 16 GB plus 256 GB, but they can also do it with 512 GB. And the battery is around 8,600 mAh. That's it for my fast preview of this Mix 3 Pro. It's the first mini notebook with an Intel Core 10th generation, which means it has adaptive dynamic power tuning technology. It will allow you to improve 10% of the CPU performances. Thank you.